Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Foster fitting is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring a comfortable and functional wardrobe, playing a crucial role in how your garments look and feel against your body. And while the allure of a perfect fit might seem straightforward, navigating the nuances of tailoring, alterations, and understanding your unique body shape can be a complex journey that ultimately determines the success of any clothing purchase, making it a vital consideration for anyone seeking to elevate their style and confidence. Number 5. Venturi Foster Female to 1/8-inch BSPP Male Quick Disconnect Adapter. Effortlessly connect your air systems with this high-quality adapter. It provides a secure and reliable link between your Foster Female and 1/8 BSPP male fittings. Built to withstand demanding conditions, this adapter is rated for up to 5,000 psi. You can trust its performance for your high-pressure applications. Featuring a sleek silver finish, this adapter is not only functional but also durable. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting use. The quick disconnect feature makes attaching and detaching components a breeze. Save time and effort with its user-friendly design. This adapter offers versatile compatibility, bridging the gap between Foster Female and 1/8 BSPP male connections. It's an essential tool for any air enthusiast. What we like. This adapter is designed for seamless connection between Foster Female fittings and 1/8-inch BSPP male threads. If you need a reliable adapter for your air systems with a high-pressure rating, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for users who require a specific thread type conversion with robust pressure handling. What people say. These fittings thread on flawlessly, connect and disconnect flawlessly, and they've been paired with several different brand male fittings with zero issues at all. Works exactly as advertised. After I did it worked immediately. Fits tightly. Doesn't leak. Looks up to the job. Number 4. Universal 1/8 BSPP Male Quick Disconnect Plug Adapter. Introducing our Universal Quick Disconnect Plug Adapter. It's designed for easy connection to your air guns. Crafted from high-quality copper, this fitting is built to last. It's rated for high pressures up to 5,000 psi. Experience accurate and reliable performance thanks to its precision NC machining. It ensures a secure and accurate connection every time. Getting started is effortless. Simply connect this adapter to your PCP air guns for immediate use. It features a special flow restrictor for a slower fill. This helps reduce heat buildup in your cylinder during operation. This compact adapter is a QC02 quick coupler socket. Take it anywhere and attach it to various PCP air guns as needed. What we like. Featuring a copper build and NC machined accuracy, this plug adapter ensures a precise and durable connection. The inclusion of a flow restrictor allows for slower, controlled filling, reducing heat buildup. If you prioritize controlled filling and high-quality materials for your PCP air guns, this adapter is an excellent option. What people say. Works good on my PCP air compressor. Perfect fit for smaller air tank fills. Number 3. Universal Double Male Quick Disconnect Coupling Adapter. Introducing our Universal Double Male Quick Disconnect Coupling Adapter. It's designed for seamless air transfer between various devices. Crafted from high-quality copper, this adapter is built to withstand pressures from 3000 to 5000 psi and high temperatures. Experience accuracy with its NC machined construction, ensuring a perfect fit for your 8mm female converters without any leaks. Operation is straightforward. Just connect it to your female paintball tool fittings or fill station. It's an essential part for your toolkit. This quick connect adapter allows easy air movement between tanks, from large to portable bottles, or directly to air tanks. It's compatible with a variety of equipment, including PCP airsoft, air guns, Foster paintball, and SCBA tanks. What we like. This double male coupling adapter is perfect for transferring air between different containers or connecting to fill stations. Its NC machined accuracy and reliable, leak-free design make it a must-have for any parts kit. If you frequently need to move air between tanks or connect to various fill points, this adapter offers great versatility. What people say. Purchase for my PCP air rifle tank. Works perfectly and needed no special attention. It's good to put a quick connect on each end, say from your 4,500 psi air compressor connected hose to your carbon fiber tank. Works great. It works great, did exactly what I was hoping it would do. Number 2. Universal 8mm dual male Foster quick disconnect coupling. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this adapter is built to last. Its durable construction ensures reliability for all your air tool needs. Featuring dual 8mm male quick-release nipples, connecting your equipment is a breeze. Enjoy seamless and efficient coupling every time. Engineered to handle extreme conditions, it's rated for working pressures up to 4,500 psi. This ensures safe and effective operation even with high-pressure systems. This accessory is perfect for filling pre-charged air guns. It simplifies the process of transferring air from your tanks to the refill station. Its versatile design makes it suitable for high-pressure tanks and pumps. You can easily manage your charging and filling system with this reliable adapter. What we like? Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, this dual male nipple is built for high-pressure applications up to 4,500 psi. It's designed for charging and filling systems efficiently. If you're looking for a durable and high-capacity adapter for your pre-charged air guns and high-pressure tanks, this option provides excellent performance and longevity. What people say? These worked so well for filters and water line to my washer machine. Seems to be durable and well built. Number 1. Foster 3 Series 1-4 Coupler and Plug Kit. Introducing the Foster 3 Series Coupler and Plug Kit. This 14-piece set is designed for industrial applications and meets MIL spec standards. Engineered for the toughest jobs, its heavy-duty construction ensures durability for daily use. With a 300 psi working pressure, it provides reliable performance when you need it most. It's designed for interchangeability with industrial, I, M, D, and MIL spec fittings. Featuring a solid brass body and a durable steel sleeve, it's built to last. This comprehensive kit includes 2 female couplers, 2 male couplers, for female plugs, and 6 male plugs, all with a 1-4 body and 1-4 NPT. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers a heavy-duty build with a solid brass body and steel sleeve, designed for daily, tough jobs. It interchanges with industrial, I, M, D, and MIL spec standards. If you need a versatile and robust set of couplers and plugs for industrial applications or demanding daily use, this kit provides a reliable and durable solution. What people say? My compressor no longer hisses and leaks. Made in USA. Excellent quality. Worked flawlessly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.